Okay, first thing you do, you don't have to worry about these right here, guys, because I'm not going to do those over, but I'm going to do these over for you guys. So first I use this one because it don't work wonders like the regular one. And what I mean by that is it don't lay your edges down as much as you want it to. But I'm using it first because it smooths down my hair a lot. So I will be using this one first. It's kind of sparkly, guys. You see that? Well, hope you guys can see it. Okay. Okay, guys. Enough of that. Okay. The first one. When you're doing your edges, you just make sure you have a good toothbrush. You don't have no real soft toothbrush. This toothbrush not too soft or too hard at all. It's just right. So when you do your edges, you want to pull some on down. See that? See that? You want to go all the way down like that. So that's one. Then the hair that you have right here, you want to go ahead and pull that down also. Then there's two. Then the hair chair right here, you want to pull that down also. Then that's three. You guys see that? This is one. This is three. I mean two. Then this is three. Okay. Okay. Then bend it a little bit. Then you start using your original Eco Styling Gel. It works wonders, guys. It does, for real. Then bow, bow, bam. Put too much. It's okay. Also, I'm gonna do this hairstyle tomorrow to show you guys how I did it. The little bun in the back. I'm gonna show you guys that tomorrow. So when you put that original Eco Style on there, you do the same thing you did the first time. Take that hair down. Then you take this hair down. See, guys? This is how you accomplish that. I need to buy me a I had a soft toothbrush that I was using for my edges because I want a softer one. Just like when I do my ponytails, I use a softer brush than the hard brush that I have to just smooth my hair out. But these are the results for that side. So let's get to this side. I don't know if it dried out, kinda, but it'll be okay. It'll still work. Move that. See? Y'all see that? I'm not done, y'all. Not done. You get some hair. There you go. There you go. Okay. Do the same thing what you did over here to over here. Simple. Okay. Then what you guys do next, go back to this side. I'm just going to use this Edge Mega Hold, Edge Tamer Extra Mega Hold. And you don't need that much on your hand because it holds completely with just a little, so you don't need that much. And apply to each one. I have 3. And do the other side like that too. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then you do this side the same exact way, guys. Same exact way. Don't freak out. Just do it the same exact way. And focus, guys. Focus. Okay. So those are basically my results for my edges, and basically that's all you have to do. You don't have to rush. I'm doing my eyebrow like that too. Color my eyebrows stand up. I'm so weird for this. So these are the final results. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up, which is the same thing. Subscribe to my channel. Tell your mama, tell your daddy, tell your papa, tell your granny, because you don't want to miss a video.